welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to make another fall DIY. Okay, so this is gonna be with some items that I already had and then some items from the Dollar Tree. So let me get started with Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be using this fabric. So they now sell craft fabric, which I've hauled in a few of my Dollar Tree haul videos, and specifically this pattern I'm gonna be using for this DIY. And this is what I'm gonna be doing with it. So I've already gone ahead and made this. This is something that was Pinterest inspired that I saw people on Pinterest doing, and I wanted to try it out myself. But this is making pumpkins using toilet paper. So this is toilet paper that I also got from Dollar Tree, but you can just grab the toilet paper in your own home. The fabric, of course, and then this is the part that I just added. This is not from the Pinterest DIY, and I'll show you how I did that. Next, I'll be using some burlap. They do have this at Dollar Tree, but I'm just going to use all of the scraps that I had here at home. And then I'm going to use this fruit basket. Sorry, I just dropped it there. So this is a fruit basket that I got. I'm sure wherever you're from, you can get fruit baskets. This is a Canadian one, so I'm from Canada, Ontario. But yeah, I'm just going to use a fruit basket. If you don't have one, you can also use, there's many tin cans that come in this type of shape from Dollar Tree as well. And other than that, I will probably be also using some of these metal signs that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just trying to grab it here. These are leftover from other projects, so I may also use these as well. I'm just not too sure. I have an idea in my head of what I want to do, but until I get started, I'm not too sure. Other than that, I use these. I do get a lot of questions about them, so I thought I would just talk about them right now, but I also use these in all of my DIYs pretty much. These are craft clips that you can get from Dollar Tree in the craft section. I just love using them to hold items together that I'm gluing. They are super fantastic, so Dollar Tree. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this DIY. Let's get started.